What an amazing experience. I did not think I was going to get personally as affected as I did. I really thought it was going to be much more technical, but it brought home the fact that it does have to be personal. I completely get it now, and the fact of just being inspired by the different team members and how each individual team member, including the camera crew, was involved in making things and making us feel really comfortable in their participation.
Well, I've learned so much, not about myself, but my business and how I can take it to the next level. So immediately when I hit the ground back in the States, there's going to be some major changes for TamCam, like for real. This will forever change my life. And this won't be the last time I'll be meeting with Mr. Carmichael. I mean, Evan is such a phenomenal person, not just a phenomenal business person, but just what you see is the real deal, and I cannot keep saying that more.
What can I say? I'm a changed woman. Walls have been broken. I feel so motivated, so inspired to go back and just share the love that I had here, just to spread that to the women in Mississippi who just looking for that little ounce of hope.
I love the connections with so many people. Meeting with Evan, his entire team, I feel like I connected so well, not just with Evan, but with Lily, with J-Rise, well, with Alex. Like I love the entire team of Believe. It shines through so much to everybody. I love that we all basically cut of the same cloth, that we're all out like there learning, putting stuff together. I love the relaxed atmosphere. I love the impromptu, like kind of like getting up, like doing the different dance moves. It's also like I have 2 left feet, but so encouraging to be able to do stuff like that. Like the whole experience was incredible.
Coming in, I wasn't really sure what to expect. I knew that it was going to be motivational and uplifting. When I think I quickly found out that it was much more than that. Evan tricked us into thinking we're going to get some, like, secret or some hack to this world of social media and messaging, but really it was about like interpersonal, like reaching in, finding out like what your true purpose is, telling you that, look, you have the answer to the world's problems. You just have to figure out how to convey that to your customer, and that was so powerful to me. The message driven by the emotion, and it really changed things for me. I'm going back to Florida completely changed, with a completely different perspective.
Some very eye-opening days here in Toronto. It was awesome. Awesome because I've been working in marketing for a long while, but sometimes you lose track of the things, how the things evolve and how things are done these days. And to me, it was really recentering my mind about what's wrong, or what's good and what's wrong. And I learned so many things about how to position my business. I learned so many things how to position myself, and also how to attract new customers for my products, for my projects. And it was, one of the best 3 days that I ever had, and one of the best trainings, if not the best training, and the most valuable training for me moving forward, and also trying to grow my business.
My last 3 days at the Evan Carmichael event here in Toronto were a lot of fun. They were very informative. I met a lot of great people, learned a lot of new stuff, and I hope I can carry a lot of this into the future, into my career. And I think I've learned a lot. I think I've grown, and hopefully I can remember this chapter in my life as being a turning point and to something better.
And I can tell you guys, it was awesome 3 days event. I mean, one of the things I came here honestly thinking I'm going to be learning the technical part of recording and YouTube and all that stuff, but it ended up to be more than what I expected. So this was a grateful event. My favorite moment was actually having Evan sing with me. That was awesome. Everybody I've met here have been positive, and honestly, everybody who came to this event is going home feeling very grateful, and I have big love for this event.